In this video, we are going to demonstrate recursive function in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for the recursive function Python. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the second results as it matches our query. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. Here the code defines an empty list and a function that takes an integer argument n. Now if n is equal to 0, the function appends 0 to the list and returns 0. Otherwise the function appends the square of n to the list and calls itself recursively with the argument n-1. Now let's run the code, and you have successfully demonstrated the recursive function in Python.